Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Addict channel. Today I'm about to show you how you can actually delete Instagram call history from your smartphone. Many times we call someone and the history of their calls on our Instagram remains intact. Maybe you have already deleted the chat with someone special, but the call history may remain, so you don't want to show those type of calls to your friends, right? So therefore today I'm gonna show you how you can actually delete those kind of Instagram call history. Okay, this trick is shown on the latest version of the Instagram, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. First of all, open your Instagram app on your smartphone. Now go to the message section. This account is personal account, and if you are on professional account, then you won't see any call history. That feature is not available for professional Instagram account. For easy way out, you can actually just simply switch to professional account to never bother with the Instagram call history, okay? But if you don't want to do that, then don't worry. Let me show you how you can actually delete Instagram call history from private and personal accounts, okay? In the latest version, if you want to see your Instagram call history, then you need to click on this icon, okay? After clicking on this icon, you can see the call history of this account. You can also create call rooms from this place, okay? As you can see, I have called my other account before, so to demonstrate you, to delete your old calls history, just long press on the call log and then click on this delete option, okay? This will delete your call log. But remember, there is no way to actually delete the whole history with just one click. There is no feature for that. Maybe in the future version, Instagram might provide this feature. But for now, you just have to delete the call history one by one, okay? So this is how you can actually delete your Instagram call history from your smartphone. If you like this guys, please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You can also send me your love by giving some YouTube thanks to my channel. It will be a great financial support. In the end, if you got any problem with the trick, then just comment down below and I will make sure to help you. Now then, I will see you in the next video. Till then, like this video and stay happy. Bye bye.
Hey, what the hell?